Hey y'all, I'm just making a video to show you how to get to some information about your kids in the map system. So you would open up NWEA map and log in. What I'm going to show you is some good stuff you can use to know what to do with these kids when you pull small groups, or even for your win time for those students that you chose for your MTSS interventions as well. Okay, so we'll log in. Okay, so for map growth, we'll go to map growth, go to class profile. Mine may look a little bit different than y'all's because I have a different type of profile, but this is the same steps that you would follow to get to yours. So I'm just going to choose a teacher. You can change it to math and reading. Of course, y'all won't have to do that because y'all won't have to change the teacher because it's going to come up with yours. Okay, so then you go down and you can see your students. Okay, so if you were looking for specific things to do with a child, press their name and it goes to their student profile. And then you can toggle between reading and math. Okay, and then it's going to show you, once you press into, you can press into different instructional areas, so informational text, and it will break it down by skill and tell you some things that the child needs to, you can reinforce with the child, meaning they know it, so you can give them extra practice. Develop means they're getting there, but they definitely need some extra practice with it. And then introduce means they, based on map, they do not know it at all. Okay, and it tells you, point of view, and then it tells locating information. Mikhail is ready to develop these different things, and you can change it up here. You can change it to reinforce, and you can change it to things you need to introduce for that child. Okay, and again, you can change it between math and reading, and then there will be different strands as well. So here's her math, different strands over here, and it'll tell you the skills to work on with that child. Okay, so for fluency, grades K through 2, y'all have taken fluency. Grades 3 through 5, we will be pulling your students to take fluency. Students that are between like the 1st and the 18th through the 21st percentile, they'll be taking fluency. So once they take that, and for K through 2, since you already took it, so you'll go to access fluency. Mine looks different because I have administrator access, but for y'all, you will either have instructor or proctor. I think when it comes up, you're on the proctor view, so you need to switch to the instructor view. Once you're on the instructor view, you'll go to reports, benchmark matrix. Now you're going to see nothing on mine because I don't have a class, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. So once you go to reports, benchmark matrix, this is what you'll see. Okay, so you'll see a list of your kids, and it's going to tell you the different skills and where they're at. And right here explains, so if they have an E, that means they're exceeding expectations. M, they met. A, they're approaching. B, they are below. And then NS, no score. NE, no expectation. Okay, so then we can press a specific child, and it'll take you to his profile, his or her profile, and then it will give you, like it's saying this child needs to be introduced to rhymes and syllables, so it gives different interventions that you can use. So right here we can press this link and it comes up, and it's from the Florida Center website, and it gives you the specific intervention to use and things to use with it with that child. So that's a good thing to use when you're looking for stuff to do with them, specific to what they need. And of course, this is again based on map. So if you need any help, let me know, and I'll be glad to come down and help you get started with that. I didn't print all of these reports because when you go to print it, it's a lot of pages. So I just wanted to show you how to get to both of the things to be able to look at the information on your children.